Hello everyone, I am Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila, and in this video I am showing you how I actually put on pantyhose. So I wear tights for you, but a little bit of but isn't here. The fact that it has a colossal amount of tights, so I'm going to just somehow not look at it and choose it with my feeling, with my hand, and possibly whatever comes out is what I'm wearing. So hopefully something you like. So here are about 10 knee highs and pantyhose tights. So as you can see, is huge amount here. Different colors, different texture. Let's have a look. I have nothing in my hands, just so you know. Let's randomly pick. These are what they are called, knee highs. Okay, we do the knee highs today. So they are absolutely new as well. Okay, these are never worn, so they are absolutely new. By the way, look at my beautiful nail varnish. Let's wear these. Let's wear them. As you can see, it's got a lace and it's got anti-slip action here. Aren't they beautiful, Mom?
Yeah.
They're so like gentle yet beautiful. And they fit me. They are even large on me. Wear them higher.